Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate or deactivate the prices on your website configurator. That 3D link that we sent you as clients that you can put on your website or your Facebook for your prospective customers, your prospective leads, to be able to build their own buildings. We're going to show you how you can activate or deactivate the prices from being shown. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right hand corner and we are going to look for the settings button here. And then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to our My Profile settings. Next, we'll look on the left-hand side. We'll see all of these setting options. We'll go to Estimator Settings. And if we scroll down just a hair, we can see where it says Price Calculation. Here is your option, Hide Prices from My Website Visitors. If you click it, it is selected. It will remove that price. If you unselect it, it will keep that price on there. The only thing I'll say to do is make sure you click Save at the bottom before continuing on. Guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to be able to choose between showing pricing or not showing pricing on your configurator. If you have any other questions, we do have some videos in the link in the description below. Be sure to check those out. You can always call us or reach out. We'd love to help. But until then, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.